Hey there and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about AutoDS automatic dropshipping tool. Today I'm gonna talk about everything you need to know. So let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, you can see this link here, autods.com. Also you can check out their logo. This is their official site. You just have to go to browser and search for AutoDS, then you will get this site. Just tap onto the first link. Okay, now if you have previously used AutoDS or logged into it, you can use this login option at the top right corner here. You can see this. You just have to simply tap onto login and then you can log in using your previous email address and password. But for now I'm gonna go with Google. I'm gonna sign up with my Gmail account. So let's get started. So tap on to sign up with Google. Wait until the page loads completely. There's some kind of error. Okay, so let's try to sign up, log into it. uh, Now from here you can select your selling channel. You can use Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy and TikTok. You can use them, and for now I'm going to tap on the Shopify. Now you can see there are pricings for the Shopify import. So here you can see this. They offer 4 types of packages: import 200, starter 500, advanced 1K, and if you need customizable offers you can also get them. Just for now we're going to talk about these 3. So let's compare them. So here you can see the first one, which is import 200 offer, which is around $90 and $90.90, almost $20. Okay, this is per month. You have to pay it per month. Okay, and if you buy it for annually, you will save $84. So let's compare them now. So on the import 200 offer, you can get product importer. You can upload 200 products at a time. You cannot upload more than that. And on the starter $500, which is $29.90 per month, you can buy it annually and then you can save $120. So you can just buy it. From here you can check out their monthly and yearly uh, offers. So here you can see this, their monthly offers, and there is the annual one which I just showed you earlier. I was just showing you. So let's compare 3 of them. And lastly, the advanced 1K is $49.90 per month. You can save up to $204 if you buy it annually. So let's check out. On the import 200, you can only upload 200 products. On the starter 500, you can upload till 500 products. And lastly, on the advanced 1K, you can upload up to 1K products. Now let's talk about price and stock monitor. On the import 200, the first package, you will not get this option, but on the rest of 2 packages, which is starter 500 and advanced 1K, you can get price and stock monitor. Like this is the AI price and stock monitor for you. Like you can use AI to monitor everything. You don't need to hassle that much. Now let's talk about product research tool. Yes, on the import 200 package, you will get product research tool, manage tool, all other tools from here. You can just check them out. So for example, products manager tool, order manager tool, you will also get free store domain on this one. You will also get product variation support and all other things here, but you won't get AutoDS Academy, bulk product importer, AI smart edit and all other these offers, but they will be available on the starter 500 and advanced 1K offer. So here you can see this. The sign option means that you will be able to get this services from here, like sign icons, and when you can see these cross icons like these X icons, that means you will not be able to have those offers like services. And lastly, on the advanced 1K, on the last option, the last offer, and this one, the middle one, on the middle one, like starter 500, you will not get VIP support and multiple store management, which you will be able to get on the advanced 1K. The starter 500 is the most popular offer of them. Okay, so now let me show you the monthly offers here. You can see monthly ones cost a little bit extra compared to this one, annual one. The major difference between annual and monthly offers is that on the annual package you have to pay for the whole year on advance, and for the monthly one you have to pay per month and advance. So that's it. This was their packaging, and I would suggest you to go with the annual one if you want to continue with AutoDS for a long time. At the same time, you can check out for eBay and all other ones. So the pricings of them are different. So as you can see, here is the payment details of it. On the AutoDS, if you are just starting out, you can just try it for only $0.99 for free, because this is $1 just. Okay, you just have to enter your card number, your expiration date, your country, and then you have to pay. So that's pretty much it. And now let's say you want to log into it or create an account. You can just tap on to login, and you can log into AutoDS very easily. You just have to pay for them, and then you can get continued with AutoDS. So AutoDS is a AI built Shopify store. You can also use it for creating an eBay store or any other, for example Facebook Marketplace and etc. You can import products from your Shopify store or from eBay if you want to, and other platforms that I just showed you earlier on this video. And you can automate orders, you can get tracking updates and returns without needing a buyer account very easily. So that's it. And you can also check out all other offers here, for example print on demand, product sourcing, and all other offers, 24/7 live chat support. You can just choose them. And here you can see this 1.8 million plus dropshippers use AutoDS and other things like this. So that was pretty much it about AutoDS. And if you're planning to start dropshipping, I will suggest you to go with AutoDS, because AutoDS is a really helpful website for beginners, and at the same time it is also very much helpful for the pros and the experienced dropshippers also use AutoDS. So that's it. You can join AutoDS Discord server if you wish to, and all other things. You can visit their website, and you can just start AutoDS one dropshipping. You can check out their reviews right from here. So that was pretty much it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.